City Mule is a bold and refreshing drink representing the Detroit Lions, inspired by the city's automotive history and the hard-working spirit of its people. This cocktail is a twist on the classic Moscow Mule, adding a splash of apple cider for a Michigan touch. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces vodka as the base of the mule, ½ ounce lime juice for a tangy kick, 3 ounces ginger beer for a spicy, bubbly finish, 1 ounce apple cider for a Michigan-inspired twist, 1 lime wedge for garnish. For equipment, you will need copper mug, bar spoon, ice. Here are the instructions. Fill a copper mug with ice. Add vodka, lime juice, and apple cider to the mug. Top with ginger beer. Stir gently to combine. Garnish with a lime wedge. Detroit is known as the Motor City for its rich automotive history. The apple cider in this cocktail is a nod to Michigan's reputation as a leading producer of apples.